Hi, I'm Charles from the Roche Hair Experience. Many women are worried about washing their synthetic wig, but the truth is they're very robust, and once you know how to wash the fibres and care for them, they can be very, very gentle. So when we start to wash our synthetic wig or human hair wig, this is the procedure we'll follow. Grab the ear tabs, which are these two little bits, push them together. That's the strongest part of the wig. That's why we do it that way. And we can either use cold or lukewarm water, but never hot, as hot will damage the wig or change the style. We'll wet the hair down like this. Once the hair is wet, grabbing the ear tab still, we squeeze the water out. Then we're going to add some number 1 shampoo. Only a little bit, we don't need much because it goes really soapy fast. Rub it together and just put it on the hair fibres just like this, combing it downwards. Make sure we get the nape in. As you can see, it's super soapy now. And then we'll rinse the wig out just like this, holding the ear tab still. Squeeze the water out. And then with some number 2 conditioner, grabbing the ear tabs, just on the outside. What I don't want you to do with the conditioner is you do not rub it into the actual lace, because this can actually loosen the knots. Once you've smothered all the hair fibres with the conditioner, you'd actually leave it on the side for about 5 minutes to let the conditioner soak in, but for the video we're going to go straight into a rinse out. Okay. Squeeze the water out. One thing really important is I don't want you to pick the wig up by the lace, i.e. like that, because when the wig's wet it will stretch the lace. That's why I always say use the ear tabs. So squeeze most of the water out, and then we're going to place it in our towel, and all we do is pat it dry. I don't want any wringing or twisting, as that can damage the wig. Pat it dry like this, and then to place it on our mannequin head, just like this, and then with our fingers we'll finger style it into the style what we like. And then with our leave-in conditioner, we just use 3 or 4 misty air sprays, like that. And with our wide tooth comb, from the bottom, we will then just comb it into our style. With a synthetic wig, as it dries naturally, it will automatically want to bounce back to the style. So it's very, very easy. And that is how we'll wash and condition a synthetic wig. And now we'll let that air dry naturally, and then when we come back to it, we can do little adjustments if needed.